Now it's time to create our Loft feature. To create our Loft feature, we're going to go to the command that says Lofted Boss Base. It's in the Features tab of the Command Manager. We'll click on that, and the first thing that we're able to select by the blue highlighted box is our profiles. So I'm going to click each of my profiles in the order that I want them to be lofted in roughly the same location. For example, the lower right corner. And there, just like that, with 4 sketches, I get a loft that's going to be extruded through those 4 different profiles. There's some things I need to add here, considering this loft feature. I'm not going to add any guide curves here. What I'm going to add is start and constraints. So under start and constraints, I'm going to change the start constraint to normal to profile. And then see how I get some options to change how this appears. I'm not going to change any of that. I'm going to go straight down to end constraint and change that as well to normal to profile. And what that does is it makes the embossment extrude normal to the profile starting out, as can be denoted by this purple arrow, and then also when it ends, being denoted by a purple arrow as well. The angle implies that we can change the angle that it starts at. There's some more options with the loft feature as well. You can specify a center line, and there's also this curvature display, which is really cool for consumer product design, especially this zebra stripes option. This shows you with zebra stripes the different changes in curvature throughout the model. I'm not really sure how consumer product designers use this. I've never been in that field, but I know that they use it. Here's the button. There it is. So now I'll confirm this loft feature, and that will be it for my loft.